Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the GCE Zeno. To start off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your package. So first, this package comes with 2 batteries, it will come with a DC power supply, which is for the car, and you will also get the AC power supply, which is for the wall. You have an accessory bag for additional accessories you may have. You have your manual. And the unit itself. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your GCE Zeno for first time use. First, we're going to install the batteries. So you're going to unzip the top part of the carry case. There is a little lever back here. You will just pull this off. The unit will hold 2 batteries at a time. They just slide directly in this compartment. Reattach the lever. Zip the top part back up. And now we will install the cannula. It goes directly on top. And now it is ready to turn on. So to power on the GCE Zeno, you're going to simply press the power button. The unit will power on. So there is a battery button. So this will tell you how much percentage each battery has because it does hold the 2 batteries. And it will also tell you how many cycles the batteries has been charged on each battery. And this unit does a pulse setting of 1 to 6. It also goes up in half settings as well. And it also does a continuous flow of 1 to 2. You can easily switch back and forth with this button and adjust your settings with these buttons. Plus to go higher, minus to go lower, and again this button to go back to pulse flow. And then there is also a bell button to silence any alarms that it may have. And then to power it down, simply hold the power button again. The GCE Zeno is 12.3 inches high, 6.6 inches in depth, and 8.3 inches wide. The GCE Zeno weighs 10 pounds. It has a pulse flow setting of 1 to 6. It also has a continuous flow setting of 0.5 to 2 liters per minute. It has a single battery, or you can use the unit with 2 batteries. On a setting of 2 pulse, it will give you 4 hours with just 1 battery. On a setting of 2 pulse, will give you up to 8 hours with both batteries. On a continuous flow of 2 liters, you will just get under an hour of battery life with 1 battery and about an hour and a half with both batteries. The unit is great for people who need both pulse and continuous flow. You can use it continuously at night. You can plug it into the wall, use it overnight use. It has a shoulder strap so you can carry it over your shoulder, or it does come with a travel cart so it's easy to pull behind you. If you want to see how the GCE Zeno compares to other portable oxygen concentrators like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak with one of our respiratory specialists so we can help find the best portable oxygen concentrator for you.